I have said in enough command briefings to know what silence means when it settles over an institution. Lieutenant General Winston Mapranga is now fed up. Is not happy with what and with how things are handled. Pangua inoi mwenye Zimbabwe ndio subscribe wala on the bell icon. Timna pendo yake anamdanyara cheating. It is not peace. It is arithmetic being done quietly by people who have not yet agreed onto Cap 3 madness or say the answer out loud. The Cap 3 conversation dressed however it likes to be addressed. Yes, he opened a debate older than its own name. The question of who is owned the next chapter and who is simply occupying the chair until someone with a stronger claim sits down. Institutions like ZANU-PF do not announce succession anxiety through statements. They announce it through setting charts, through whose name is read first at provincial gatherings and whose endorsements arrive a week later, if it arrives at all. I have watched this choreography before. I know what it means when the tempo changes. There is a pattern reasserting itself that anyone with command experience will recognize a quiet gravitational pull towards figures with the liberation credentials and structural discipline against a newer class whose standing rests on the capital and access rather than mandate end in the field or in the party's own structures. This is not new terrain in our politics. It is old terrain and it is being walked again. What is different this time is that the discomfort is no longer fully contained. Quite arithmetic leaks once enough people independently arrive at the same uncomfortable total. When that happens, the only question left is whether the recalculation is managed from within or contested out in the open where it cannot be controlled. Doma developments are mdanyo kwa pangwa ene na Winston's kakema pranga. Pinango message medu za fungure imo tulipa msalimu chitu kwa ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.